I'll Take a Bite of That is a food truck located here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, specializing in burgers, nachos, loaded fries, chicken sandwiches, also fresh. That's the main thing, fresh. Everything's made fresh to order, fresh. I grow my own vegetables in the summer, fresh lettuces, fresh tomatoes, fresh onions. We make our own handmade seasonings, burger seasoning, French fry seasonings, dry rubs for the meat, fresh homemade pico every day. All the meat's cooked fresh every day. All the prep done is fresh every day. There's nothing just sitting around. Everything is made to order.
Fresh.
That is, I'll Take a Bite of That.
Coming, going.